all of you. Welcome to my video. Welcome to my Linux learning series. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what is systemd and why it is used and how we are going to manage Linux services through systemd. Okay, here is the exercise which contains in total 11 questions, and we are going to understand systemd service step by step. Okay, so you can see this lab requires several commands to be run as a root user. So we are going to switch to root user in the beginning of this exercise. Okay, let me switch first, which is sudo -i. Now, as you can see, I need to type the password, which is Calliston123. Now I am the root user. All right. So the command which is used to connect to the systemd services, or you can say systemd, which is the component of Linux. So the command is systemctl. Okay, let me type it again. Systemctl. Yes, systemctl status. I want to see the status of what? Sample dot service. Okay, let me press tab here to autocomplete. You can see it's inactive. It's inactive, dead. The service is dead. And so my answer is now, what is the status of the sample service unit? What is the status? It is dead. It is inactive. So here, that's how we are going to use systemctl, which connects to systemd, which is a component of Linux. Try starting the service. Does it start? So let's try to start the service. So the command is same. Command is same. Instead of status, we are going to start. Let's start. Oh no, failed. So try starting the service. No. Does it? No, it does not. Why did the service start fail? So let me check the logs. So if a service is failing, or right now, as you can see that sample dot service is not starting. Even I am the root user. I have all the permissions. Still, I am not able to start sample dot service. It means there is a reason behind that. That's why the service is not starting. So if something is failing in Linux or in anything, there is a reason behind that. So let's check the logs first to ensure what is going behind the scenes. Okay. Journal CTL. The flag is, I guess, -u sample dot service. I guess this command is right. Sample dot service. I have to type explicitly. Sample dot service has no ExecStart, ExecStop. Got it. So you can see that by running this command, this is general CTL. Basically, it also connects with the systemd services, or you can say the background services of Linux, which are close to the hardware. Okay. So now you can see that it's refusing because there is no exec start. So it's a derivative which is not defined in the file. What is derivative? I'm going to explain it in the later section of the video. So what is the issue right now? Why did the service fails? So you can see the time is running up. I have 54 minutes at this moment. Why did the service start fail? Service section not defined. Service section not defined. Yes. Yes, this is the answer. Boom. Date service section. Set exec start to run the script. Bin bash. So bin bash here. This is the shebang. Okay, and this is the root. Here is my shell script. Okay, let me show you. Not like this. Let me clear this. Let me do ls here, and you can see here. Let me do pwd to show you where I am. I am inside the root, and inside root there is a script, or you can say shell script, which is sample underscore script dot sh. Okay, set the exec start to run the script. So I need to add this derivative to my script. Let me see what's there in my script. Okay, cat sample dot why it's taking time. All right, let me do that. Here is my script. It says shebang. Then there is infinite loop. Then there is date. Okay. Then sleep 100 seconds means after 100 seconds it will take a pause. Then this loop will run again. I believe this is the flow. If I'm wrong, then do comment. All right. So now I need to um all right, I need to add exec start derivative, which is not here because all the system files, like all the system services files are stored in etc. So let me go there. No, let me do one thing. Let me just do this thing sudo. Oh, all right, I'm already root user, so nothing to worry about. etc. Then there is your system D. Then there is your system. Inside that system, there must be your sample.service file. If it's not, then yes, it's there. It's there. Let me open this. All right. Why this terminal is taking so much time? I'm not able to understand. I'm inside this file. Let me do one thing. Let me just specify the details here in front of this derivative. Okay. So mine one is shebang. Okay. Bin bash. All right. And where is my um, shell script stored? It's under root. Oh, I specified two times. Root. Then there is your sample sample underscore. Okay. Sample underscore script dot sh. Let's escape and colon WQ exclamation mark. Let's go outside. Now let's check this if this works or not. It's not working. The service is not running. Oh, I forgot to start the service. Let me just start the service. Where is the command? Yes, sample.service. I believe my service is started. Let me see the status of the service, whether it started or not. Yes, it started. Let's check again. Now, boom, it's done. Inspect the status of the service now. What is the status? So it's active. We already checked. So it's active and running. Simple. Then there is your seventh question. Enable this service now so that it will be started automatically after a reboot for multi-user dot target. So what I need to do here is system CTL. Then I need to enable sample dot service. Okay, that's it. You can see same link is created, or you can say a soft link is created under etc systemd system multi-user target want sample dot service. Got it. Let's check. Boom, it's done. Now update the service to ensure that it restarts when stopped for any reason. Use restart always. Okay, so this derivative I need to add in the same place where I uh, added the thing like shebang in front of ExecStart. So I need to go to the same place, which is where is that command? VIES, here it is. So let me just get into insert mode. Now it's time to add here. Okay, let me add here. What is restart is equal to always. Restart is equal to always. So now you can see that the restart color is changed, and this is the derivative. Now what it does is, whenever the system like whenever this crashes, okay, this sample dot service crashes or it fails, then the service will automatically restart it. Okay, that's why I specified restart always. Let's check this. Let's check. Boom, it's done. Try and restart the service now. There seems to be a warning, but is the fix? Try and restart the service now. All right, let's restart. It's simple to restart. Okay, instead of status, instead of start, you need to specify restart. That's it. That's simple it is. Warning, the unit file source configuration file drops in sample.service change on disk runs is alright. So I need to reload the daemon as well. Okay, I need to reload daemon first, then after that I can only restart the sample.service. So that's how things works here in Linux. Systemctl DEDAEMON reload. Okay, daemon is reloaded. Now it's time to restart the service. As you can see, sample.service is restarted. You reload the unit. What to fix? Reload the unit. So daemon is a unit which you need to reload, or you can say it's a background process. It's a operating system level, you can say, background process, okay, which looks for all this thing like system d services, all the services runs on daemon. I will explain this thing in another video. So reload the service unit file. Let's reload the service unit file. So service unit file is this file which is sample.service. Let's reload this. Okay, reload. Reload. Fail to reload sample.service job type reload is not applicable for unit sample.service. Why this kind of error I am facing? The reload. So let me do one thing. Let me just reload the daemon first. Okay, systemctl. Sorry. Now I think this will be reloaded. It's still failing. Why? Systemctl reload sample.service. Everything is perfect. Fail to reload sample.service. Job type reload is not applicable. I am not um, able to know why this thing is failing. Still, I can use the hint section of KodeKloud Studio. Okay, so, okay. I already reloaded D1. I already reloaded. Let me reload again. Systemctl daemon reload. Check. So this is the service unit file. All right, got it. So service unit file is daemon. All right. Got it. Now it's the time for the last question. How would you check the error encountered earlier when the sample survey did not have a valid service section? Journal CTL -u sample service, which I used earlier to check the logs. Now, as you can see, congratulations, you have successfully completed the challenge and lab session. By doing this, like by performing these kinds of labs, like 10 to 15 minutes it takes, by getting hands dirty on these kinds of labs which are free on KodeKloud, you can learn Linux for free, as these labs are at this platform is providing this kind of environment where you can simply just type a command and you can uh, you can build the concept which many folks are messing with. Okay, so please, I highly advise you to perform these kinds of labs and get your hands dirty on this so that you can enhance your terminal skills. So thank you for today's video. this is for today. We will be meeting in the next video. Bye.
ਸੀਗਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਲੋਕ ਤਾਨੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਕੱਸਦੇ ਆ ਮਿਡਲ ਕਲਾਸ ਬੰਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸੀਗੇ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਆ ਪੈਸੇ ਨਾਲ